Hey everyone, I've got a product review video for us today. Here I've got a Bauer 7.3 amp SDS 1-inch rotary hammer, and specifically I'm reviewing this for demolition purposes. I bought this at Harbor Freight. It was $89.99, and then they offer a warranty on it, so if the tool ever wears out you can take it back and get a new one or an equivalent of new type. So I got it. It was like an extra $10, and I've been using it for primarily demolition to break up these bricks on this little brick wall behind me. The rotary hammer came in this nice box like this. It says what it is on there. This is the corded model, and then it has a nice hard carrying case. Once you open it up, what you find in there is the instruction manual. This is a gauge, like feeler depth guide, if you're mainly for using the drill, and a couple compartments and stuff for tools, and that's about it. No bits, no nothing like that. So I bought this chisel bit attachment to hook onto it. It's this SDS chisel bit. It attaches really easily. You just slide it in and push it on, and then it's all hooked up. To take it off, you pull back this collar and then it pops out. So pretty straightforward, easy to use. And I've been doing demolition work on this brick wall behind me. It's almost done. And the thing I would say about the work that this tool puts out is, I guess I've never done this before. I'm using this as kind of basically a mini jackhammer, but I guess I was expecting this to go a little bit quicker than this tool given me for this project so far. So I'm just busting up between the grout lines and then trying to preserve the bricks in the middle. But I'll give you a show of what it looks like when the tool is in action here. So for any rotary hammer, eye protection and ear protection is really important. These things are freaking loud when they are going because it is hammering against grout and breaking up concrete, things like that. So I will try to remove some of these bricks and show you the kind of the process I've been following here. Although it still's getting the job done, we just got a little bit left of this project to do, so I'll show you a time lapse of me finishing up from start to finish of this project, and then you can kind of get a feel of how long it takes. I would say this wall took about 2 to 2.5 hours. When it's all said and done, it's probably about 2.5 hours to take down. It's a fine tool. It was only like 90 bucks, like I said. But I'd probably, if I were to buy it again, I'd get the bigger one. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching Saguaro Farm. Thanks for watching our product review. If you like homesteading content and working on outside on your farm and home, give us a like and a subscribe for future videos similar to this one. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time at Saguaro Farm.